Hey, hey, hey! Welcome po sa Pinoy Aqua Showbiz News Update. At kung bago ka pa lamang dito sa aking channel, huwag mong kalimutang i-click ang subscribe button at notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking panibagong video.
Let's hear it from them. Like, what are their favorite? What is your favorite team Pilipino? What's your favorite kids thing? Top spender. Sorry, tama lang. Oh my God. They may not look like. And you shoot me.